Hi, today I have an Burg Wächter Look Lock red. This is a love lock meant for putting on a bridge or even a locker, something like that. Probably, yeah, it says basic security, 3 out of 6 stars. And comes with a little pen for writing on the lock. So let's see. I'm gonna open this up here. Great. Let's put it in the vise and see what we can do. Let's see, is this gonna fit? Great. Let me give it a shot. And let's try this pick here. And that didn't take much. All right, you can see we got an open. Well, I guess I would put it on a bridge, no problem there. But I don't think I would trust it for much more than that. All right, thanks for watching.